All right, so to assemble the bundle hair catcher kit, you've got first your hair catcher itself here. You've got a 4-inch piece of tubing, 2 barb connections, and 2 hose clamps. So what we're going to do first is we're going to screw in these barb connections. All right, now on the side in which the arrow is pointing, that's the side that's going to get this piece of tubing added to it. So we're just going to add this tubing right there. I'm going to secure it with a hose clamp. And so once you've got it like this end is what's going to go onto the pump side. You're going to secure it onto the water pump using this hose clamp. And then the tubing coming into your cabinet is going to go on this side and be secured by the hose clamp that's already included there, which would normally just go straight into your pump. So just to clarify, since it was sideways when we were showing how to install it, from a bird's eye view, once it's actually going into your cabinet, it's going to look like this, where the clear piece is facing upward. The tubing coming into your cabinet is connected to this barb piece right here, and this green tubing is connected to the water pump nozzle.